5 reliable and cheap cars for Uber drivers in 2026. Looking for a reliable and affordable car to start Uber driving in 2026? Whether you're in the USA, UK, Canada, Africa, or anywhere else, these 5 cars are known globally for durability, fuel economy, low maintenance costs, and strong resale value. Let's get straight into it. 5. Toyota Corolla, 2019 to 2024. The Toyota Corolla remains one of the best Uber cars in the world. It comes with a 1.8-litre or 2.0-litre engine producing up to 169 horsepower. Fuel economy ranges from 30 to 40 miles per gallon, depending on the model. A used Corolla costs around $12,000 to $20,000, while a new one starts at about $23,000. Maintenance costs are low, averaging about $400 to $600 per year. My advice? Buy a well-maintained used Corolla. These cars regularly exceed 300,000 miles when serviced properly. To keep it running longer, change the engine oil on time and avoid cheap aftermarket parts. 4. Hyundai Elantra, 2021 to 2025. The Hyundai Elantra offers excellent value for money. It features a 2.0-litre engine with up to 147 horsepower and can deliver around 37 to 43 miles per gallon. Used models cost between $14,000 and $20,000, while new ones start around $22,000. Annual maintenance averages $500. If your budget allows, buying new is a good option because of Hyundai's excellent warranty coverage. Avoid aggressive driving and keep up with transmission servicing to maximize lifespan. 3. Honda Civic, 2018 to 2024. The Honda Civic is famous for reliability and comfort. Most models come with either a 2.0-litre naturally aspirated engine or a 1.5-litre turbocharged engine. Fuel economy ranges from 32 to 42 miles per gallon. Used Civics cost roughly $13,000 to $22,000, while new models start around $25,000. Maintenance costs average $400 to $700 yearly. A used Civic with a full service history is usually the smarter buy. Just remember to inspect suspension components regularly, especially if you drive on rough roads. 2. Toyota Prius, 2018 to 2025. If fuel savings are your top priority, the Toyota Prius is hard to beat. This hybrid delivers an impressive 50 to 58 miles per gallon. Used models range from $15,000 to $25,000, while new versions start around $28,000. Annual maintenance typically costs between $400 and $700. For full-time Uber drivers, a used Prius is often the best investment because fuel savings quickly add up. Don't ignore battery health checks when buying used. 1. Honda Accord, 2018 to 2025. Taking the #1 spot is the Honda Accord. It offers more passenger space, better comfort, and excellent reliability. Engine options range from a 1.5-litre turbo to a 2.0-litre turbo. Fuel economy averages 30 to 38 miles per gallon. Used models cost around $16,000 to $28,000, while new ones start around $29,000. Maintenance costs average $500 to $800 annually. For drivers planning long shifts every day, the Accord provides one of the best balances between comfort and operating costs. If you want a sedan that's comfortable enough for long trips, practical enough for daily driving, and reliable enough to last for years, the Honda Accord remains one of the best choices on the market. Which would you choose, the Honda Accord or the Toyota Corolla? Let me know in the comments.